friends, and welcome. Are you ready to go on a super fun adventure today? We are going on a trip to sing a fantastic song all about Grandpa's farm. Come on, let's get those singing voices ready.
Wow, look at that. We're here. We're at Grandpa's farm. And look at all the amazing animals just waiting to say hi. Let's sing a song so we can meet every single one. Are you ready to sing with me? Okay, let's go.
All right, first up, we're gonna meet a big, friendly animal who just loves to eat yummy grass. It's the cow! Let's get ready to sing all about her. Here we go. Sing it with me, nice and loud. My dear grandpa had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. That was wonderful. And on that farm, he had do you know which animal? It's a cow. That's right, a big, friendly cow. Just look at this friendly cow. Here's a silly fact for you. Cows chew their food almost all day long. Isn't that funny? Now, can you tell me what sound does a cow make? Take a big breath.
It's a moo. You got it. Let's sing it. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Fantastic mooing, everybody.
Great job! Are you ready to meet our next friend on the farm? This one is a little bit smaller and loves to peck, peck, peck at seeds. It's the hen. Let's add her right into our song. And on that farm, he had a hen. E-I-E-I-O. Wow, your singing is just amazing. Okay, now for this animal, we're going to get our whole bodies moving. A hen flaps its wings and clucks, right? So can you flap your arms like little wings and get your hands ready to clap while we cluck? Let's give it a try. Ready? With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck there cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck.
Awesome job, everyone.
But wait a minute, there are so many more animals on Grandpa's farm. Let's go meet some of the other friends who live there. Oh, look at all of them. Grandpa also has a fluffy cat that says meow, a silly goat that says maw, a happy pig that goes oink oink, a rooster who says cock-a-doodle-doo, and even a little sparrow that flies all around. So many friends. And there are even more. Look, there's a friendly dog right by the gate saying hello to everyone with a big woof woof. And check out these silly cats. They just love to jump up and down and play all day long. All this singing is so much fun. Now, how about we use our eyes and our ears to play a little game with all the amazing colors and sounds we can find right here on the farm? Are you ready? First question. Take a look at all those beautiful birds up in the tree. Do you see the parrot? What color is it? You got it. A parrot is a beautiful green color. And if you look really close, it has a bright red beak. How cool is that? You know, we can see some other birds here too. The crow is all black, and the pigeon over there is a really nice soft gray color. Now it's time for a listening game. We're going to listen for the very, very last sound in a word. Let's try one. The word is rat. Listen close. Rat. That last sound is t, t, t. Did you hear it? Let's say it one more time. Rat. Okay, now it's your turn. What is the last sound you hear in the word cap? Say it out loud. C-A-P. What sound is at the very end? It's the p, p sound. You guys have great listening ears. You are all so smart. Okay, it's time for the grand finale. Let's put everything we've learned together and sing our farm song one last time with all our animal friends. Okay, let's get ready for our big finish. First, take a deep breath and get your best singing voice ready. Second, remember our moo and our cluck and our oink. And third, let's sing it together super loud and proud so everyone can hear. Here we go, everybody. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. And on that farm, he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck-cluck here and a cluck-cluck there. And a pig with an oink-oink here. Come on, let's hear all the animals. Wow, that was the best singing I have ever heard. You did it. Give yourselves a big round of applause. You know so many animals and all their sounds now. That was just so much fun.
And before we go, I have one last thing for you to think about. When you're playing outside today, take a really good look around. What animals and birds can you see near your house? Maybe a dog or a cat or a little sparrow. The world is full of amazing animal friends. Thanks for singing with me today. Bye-bye.